friends, thanks for visiting my channel. Little Literates is all about teaching kids to read. I am not a teacher or an expert. I'm a stay at home mom with two kids. So when I started to teach my elder one, it was completely new to me. I watched many videos, I searched for materials as to how to start with. I started teaching her when she was 3.5, and she's 4 years now. Now she's able to read smaller books, and I'm very happy about it.
Has.
I get many queries from mommies asking how I taught my kid to read,
Good.
and I respond to them with answers. Also, I too get help from mommies who have taught their kids well before me. So, I would like to share my experience and methods I follow to teach my kid through this channel. I hope it is useful for you all. Once again, thank you all for visiting the channel. If you like the videos, please do subscribe and support and also comment. Thank you. So it is always better to teach the lowercase alphabets with their letter sounds when you are beginning it afresh. And once the kid is thorough with the letter sounds, you can teach them the letter names. Both are important. But by the time I started to teach my kid, she already knew the uppercase alphabets by the letter names. So what I did was I wrote both the uppercase and the corresponding lowercase alphabets on a board and taught her the letter sounds. I'll show you how I did that.
A, B, B, C, K, D, D.
అందుక
A, E, A, F, G, G, H, H, I, E.
నెక్స్ట్
J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, N. O, R, P, P, Q, R, I, A, S,
నెక్స్ట్
T, T, U, R, V, W, W, X,
నెక్స్ట్
Y, Z, Z.
గుడ్ జాబ్.
You can start teaching 5 letter sounds at a time, and once the kid is thorough with all the sounds, you can go ahead and teach the next five. When I taught my kid, as I showed you, she learned all the lowercase alphabets with their corresponding uppercase alphabets, the letter names and the sounds all together. But I had a thought whether she will get confused with the sounds and the names once she starts reading. But to my surprise, that didn't happen. Of course, she made mistakes like 3 or 4 times, and when I corrected them, she was fine. Say, for example, a word Ben, starting with capital B. I thought she will be reading it as BAN, but she read it as BAN. So you don't have to worry whether your kids will get confused. Once they start to read, they will be fine.
వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్?
Ek,
గుడ్ జాబ్. గుడ్.
K,
గుడ్. Good. What is this? Good job.